What's up, buddy? What do you want to talk about? What do you want to say? Huh? Tell me how your day was. What'd you do? What kind of day did you have? Hmm? Were you busy today? What'd you do? You just keep saying the same thing over.
Don't hit him on the back and talk to him.
So what'd you do? Huh?
He knows he's having his picture taken. Smile, Buster.